Filing ACA 1095 forms doesn't have to be stressful. At Halfpricesoft, we created ez1095, an IRS-approved solution that makes ACA compliance fast, accurate, and hassle-free for businesses and accountants. For nearly a decade, thousands of businesses have trusted ez1095 to simplify their annual ACA reporting. It includes everything you need: easy data import, paper form printing, PDF generation, and secure direct e-filing, all fully compliant with IRS requirements. Because ez1095 is built entirely in-house, you can file unlimited forms, keep full control of your data, and ensure maximum privacy and security. And if you ever need help, our US-based customer support team is always here for you. Try it today. Download the free demo and see how ez1095 can make ACA filing easier than ever.